Hey guys, thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you how to build your own Grand Slam, Denny's Grand Slam. Alright, so you're going to need some of this right here. This is Idaho Spud grilled hash brown potatoes, okay? Alright, I already put some hot water in it. You need hot water, guys, not cold water. Put hot water in here and let it soak. And I also put some butter in there. Alright, so that's that on the hash brown. And I got some eggs right here that I'm going to scramble up. Right here. I got about 6 eggs in there that we're just going to go ahead and scramble up. I'm going to go ahead and mix this up real quick. I did put a little granulated onion in it, powder, and I put a little salt in it, and a little black pepper, and the little red stuff you see in there is like pepper flakes, red pepper flakes. So we're just gonna mix this up, guys, and I put a little milk in it too, just like so. That's done. You're gonna need some pancake batter. That's what this is right here. Gotta mix some pancakes up. Also, you're gonna need some bacon. And I didn't use the sausage link. You can use sausage link if you want to, but I went ahead and went with some Bob Evans sausage right here. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in the oven and let that get to cooking. 375 degrees. We're gonna go ahead and take this and this and this over here to the station, and we're gonna start cooking this stuff up. So stay with me and let's get cooking. Okay guys, I'm back. I put a teaspoon of our olive oil over here, and I put a teaspoon or a tablespoon of oil over here for my pancake. And now I'm going to take like a tablespoon of this butter for my eggs. And I'm cooking it on medium heat. Alright, here's my eggs going to go in. I like to whisk as I pour. Just like so. Here's my pancake stuff. We're just going to pour this in here. Got a little piece of egg up in there. Take that out. Put that over there. Pour some of this pancake batter in there. Try not to make them too big. I'm going to need about 6 of these bad boys. Alright. Just going to let that do what it's going to do. The eggs. Just move them around a little bit. Eggs don't really take that long to cook. Alright, we can turn that off. Okay, our eggs are done. We're just gonna get us something to put that on. Like so. Use a bowl. like that. You want to put some cheese in yours, go ahead and put you some cheese in yours. But I'm going to put mine just like that. If they want to put some cheese in there, they can put some cheese in there. Alright, sorry about the noise. The pancake is done. I'll take that out. Get started with another one. So that's all I'm pretty much going to be doing with this. And I'll bring you guys back when I be making the hash browns, okay? In a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Still making the pancake. I'm just going to grab me a handful of this hash brown like this. Put it in there. Like that. Pancake still cooking. Move this over. Smash down on it. Let it cook. It's on medium heat. Pancake ready to be flipped. Like so. You don't want to be messing with it too much. Just trying to get it so you're in one little spot here. Alright. You just want to cook that to the golden brown, guys, on both sides. One more pancake to do. The Grand Slam get 2 a piece. Put some more oil in here. Like so. Take this rest of this batter. If I can get all of it out. Just like so. Alright, check on my hash brown. Flip it just like that. When you brown up on that side, it will be done with that. And I'll show you guys, put all this stuff together, show you guys how to build your very own Grand Slam, Denny's Grand Slam. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. This is how you can build your own Denny's Grand Slams. Right here. Alright. See that? If I can do it, you can do it, guys. Alright? This is how you do it. Alright, guys. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. So please give me a like, a share, and subscribe to the channel, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. So please, that's right, click on that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG'S Kitchen. Much love.